Hi and welcome to the HECTOR School. My name is Yaxian. I'm the program consultant of the HECTOR School. Today I'm going to show you around our campus and the city of the Karlsruhe. Right now we are standing in front of the Karlsruhe Palace, right next to International Department on HECTOR School campus. Here I will show you where our campus is. Please follow me. Just right there. We are now at the entrance of the HECTOR School campus. We are currently undergoing renovations to make sure you can enjoy our modern lecture halls. Now let's meet my colleague, Sabrina, who is in charge of the accommodation.
Hi everyone, I'm Sabrina Huber and I'm in charge of the accommodation here on campus. And if you need a place to stay during your modules or even permanently, please feel free to contact me at any time. Yeah, I look forward to welcoming you.
Our students live on the upper floors of our building. During the summertime, they enjoy the relaxing and socializing on this roof terrace. Let's leave the HECTOR School campus and visit now the campus of the KIT. It only takes us about 4 minutes by foot and even faster by bike. Right now I'm standing just in front of the math building. Now we are standing in front of the library and the canteen just opposite us. I'm sure you will spend a lot of time eating and studying here. Now let's go to the sports sites. Right next to the campus, there is a newly built soccer stadium where the Karlsruhe Sports Club plays all their games. There are also basketball courts and other facilities too. Now enough for the sports, let's go back to the marketplace. This is the market square, the Kaiserstraße, main commerce street in Karlsruhe. Right now we're just less than 3 minutes away from our HECTOR School campus. In 2021, Karlsruhe opened its very own subway system in downtown. With that being said, Karlsruhe public transportation system will bring you anywhere in the near. The Palace of our Garden is the best place to socialize, exercise, and de-stress after a day of the studying. And if you're looking to see the city from above, you can either walk up the stairs inside the palace, or you can visit near Turmberg in Dulach. As you can see, the possibilities are endless, so we can't wait to see you and show you the charming of the city and our campus.